So first, I'm the founder of the Super Vibe company. We are a lifestyle technology company, mainly to building the consumer tech products.
Okay.
So we are creating a wearable memory device to help people to capture their life easier. Okay.
Okay.
Usually we go out for hiking or for city walks. We will use our hands to use the let's say camera
Or
all the
mobile
time.
phone.
Yeah, the moment will lose if you always let's say hold on it. So we created our product called Viago. So it's a hand-free camera. You don't need to let's say always hold the camera. It will record your all-day life and conclude into stories. So the battery life can last for all day. Okay, so you don't need to always let's say hold cameras. So it can clip on your backpack or just wear on your neck. Yeah, very very flexible to use. So I can show you some interesting things for our app. In our app,
Yes.
so when you come home, this one will synchronize the data into our apps. Okay, so as you can see here, this is the stories concluded by our device. Okay, this is the hiking activity, this is the city walk activity, and this is the skiing. Okay, so here, open the story, we can see the detail of with the picture and text conclusion of your day. And also, it will record your routes. Okay, where did you go? How many kilometers are you go? And the highlight points on your roads. And also, we got one more interesting thing. Okay, so we will summarize the voices this device listen and maybe the chat content this device listen into the music, the special music for your daily lives. So, and also we got the highlight moments. Okay, so our AI will generate the daily content and into the vlogs, into enhanced AI videos for you to more happy to share your content for social media. Mostly it's about the audio.
Okay.
And 1 minute we will take several pictures and the AI will understand by the audio and the pictures.
Okay.
They will generate things.
So after recording the pictures and the audio, it will generate images and it will understand them, and it will create stories automatically.
Even can make the picture move, make it to be
Live
videos.
picture or
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
videos.
Like
Okay.
picture. For example, this is a picture. It was a picture, but it's generated by based on the background, based on the let's say things.
So based on the number of pictures it took, it can analyze and convert it into a video.
Yeah, and can become 4K, 8K. It's okay.
Wow.
Yeah. Because it's generated by
Yeah.
enhanced.
Okay.
Okay.
And how much storage does the device have? How many pictures can it hold?
How much dollars?
Storage.
Storage.
Yes.
We got 32
32 GB.
gigabit.
Yeah.
It can for 1 month. It's very
For
enough.
1 month.
1 month you can wear it, just go.
Okay.
Yeah.
And may I know when you are going to launch this product?
So our product will launch on the early of next year, 2027, January.
And what is your target market, like in globally?
So for now, we are going to launch starting from Japan and North America.
Okay. And then you're going to expand to Europe.
Yeah, of course, expand to Europe.
What was your most challenging part of creating the startup?
For sure, it's the development for now. Because as a startup, we're doing the hardware and software together. Even added some AI features.
Yeah.
So it's quite positive, let's say. Okay, so we are let's say we have the let's say best engineers
Okay.
and we are very close friends, work together to accomplish these challenges. Yeah, it's quite hard, but if we got a big, let's say a good team,
Yeah.
it's okay.
Okay. And I really like your product personally because I face so many moments where I walk or when I go for a hike. Recently, I went for a run and I saw a deer. By the time I take my mobile, it's gone. It's my first time seeing an animal in France for deer or anything.
Oh yeah.
I was very astonished by that and I missed the scene. I want to capture it, but I was not able to do it. Maybe if I have your device, I could
Oh,
have
yeah.
captured it. So I hope you will launch your device as soon as possible, and I'll be one of the people who is going to purchase your device for sure. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.